I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today to join me as I declutter and organize my jewelry. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It is a rainy, stormy day in the desert, so it's the perfect day for me to stay inside and do my jewelry decluttering. My, what a big storm we're having. I am ready to get started with my jewelry declutter. To start off with, I'm going to go with all of the bracelets that I don't wear and that I just don't need to keep any longer. I've set this poster board on my bed, and that way I can easily set everything out and go through it. I really love this bracelet, but a couple years ago I broke both my wrists and my arm, and ever since wearing casts for so long, I just can't stand to have things really on my wrists anymore. So I'm going to let these bracelets go. I also have these rings. They're either too big or too small or just a little bulky, so I don't end up wearing these, and I think it's time I can let these go as well. When getting these donations ready, I'll just get some snack size bag or sandwich size bags and put all of the like items in each bag. That was so easy. I just took out the things that I wasn't wearing and haven't worn for a really long time. It only took me a minute, and I have them bagged up and ready to go. The next category we're going to work on are all of the earrings. I have earrings in this hanging bag that I keep hanging in my closet. It's so convenient and so nice, and all of the compartments have a zipper that goes right across the top so I can zip it if I need to. And especially if I'm traveling and I was going to be gone a really long time and wanted to take this entire bag, I could actually just zip it across just like this, and none of the earrings will fall out. I'm going to start going through this hanging bag and taking out the earrings that I never wear or that aren't comfortable or they're too heavy or bulky. As I go through this bag compartment by compartment, I'll ask myself about each pair of earrings. Would I buy these again? Were these a special gift? Do these have a monetary value? Do I even wear this pair of earrings? Why don't I wear this pair of earrings? Will I ever be wearing them? If the answer is no to these questions, it'll definitely be time to take these out and donate them. I'll start with the easy earrings first, the ones I know I haven't worn. They're actually still on the earring card. I'll set them aside. I have saved these earring cards from different times when I've received or purchased jewelry. I'll be able to put all of the earrings back on here when I'm ready to get these donated, and that way they won't get lost and it'll be easy for the donation center to sort through them. I have this big pair of earrings. They're like a double pearl earring. However, it's really tricky getting the back on, so I'm going to let these go. I've had this pair of earrings for quite some time, and they're really super heavy, so I'll let these go. I can see they're also starting to tarnish as well. Here's a pair of monogram earrings with little pearls. They're so pretty and I really like these. However, they're really tricky to put on. This pair of earrings is just so fancy. I don't think I'll ever have an occasion to wear these fancy earrings. I like this pair of earrings so much, and I used to wear these all the time. They're really great because they're silver and gold tone. However, they're really getting tarnished, and it's time to get rid of these earrings. I'll take all of these to the donation center and they can decide what to do with them. I never wear these star earrings. I think they came as a set with some other things, so I'll let these go. I have these inexpensive flag earrings and they're so cute. However, I always forget to wear these on the patriotic holidays. I thought these chain earrings were so pretty when I bought them. However, they're always hanging down and dangling along and making so much noise in my ear. I don't think I want to wear these again. This pair of earrings is so pretty, however, I just never wear them. They usually get tangled up in my hair when I try. This is an older pair of earrings that I've had for a really long time. The silver is really tarnished. I don't remember the last time I put these little knot earrings on. I can easily let these go. I have some larger nautical earrings with knots as well. Speaking of knots, they're all twisted up in knots. I'll have to straighten these up before I can even donate them. Here I have some little sparkling backs that go on earrings. I'll donate these because they're so hard to find the pose when you're putting them on the back of the earring. I got this cute little pair of candy corn earrings, however, I've never worn them, and I think I'll probably forget to even wear them this season. Speaking of seasonal earrings, I think I can let my other holiday earrings go as well because I always forget to wear them throughout the particular seasons. These are so pretty, but I never wore them throughout 2 Christmas seasons. I'm sure I'll forget to wear them again this season as well. I have some Avon Snowman Pearl earrings that I've had since I was a child. I'll definitely be keeping those. I never wear these freshwater pearl earrings, and one of them has a bent post. These can definitely go. We are making such great progress. I had no idea I had so many earrings to get rid of. I've really enjoyed wearing this pair of hoop earrings, however they're starting to tarnish and it's time to let them go. This pair of artificial pearl earrings was one of my favorite, and that's probably why they're starting to tarnish. I have another pair of artificial pearl earrings here that will replace the ones I'm getting rid of. I really love this pair of earrings with beautiful little flowers. However, they don't even show up because of my hair. They totally disappear when I put them on. I can let these earrings go. I forgot that I even had them when I decluttered the necklace a while back. I can let this pair of blue earrings go as well. I'm never gonna really wear these. I purchased these football earrings because I thought they were so cute and glamorous and would be fun to wear during football season. However, they're so heavy, I don't enjoy wearing these. I cannot even believe how many pairs of earrings we've gathered up so far. I have really cleared out this earring bag. I have a couple of pair of earrings up at the top that were special gifts. The others are just earrings that I purchased myself, and they were not very expensive. Down here in the bottom, I have a couple of necklace extenders and some extra earring backs. We have successfully cleared out more than half of the earrings that I own. I'm so happy and proud to get these out of my jewelry collection because now somebody else can enjoy them and I won't have to sort through so many pairs of earrings every time I want to get ready to go somewhere. I'll put these earrings on some jewelry cards and then we'll put them in a bag to donate. Now we're moving on to the necklaces. These are a couple of beautiful necklaces that I received as a gift. I'll put these in a safe place. They're a little heavy to put on my necklace hanger, so I'll hang these on a hook in my closet. Now we're moving on to my necklaces. It's a little dark here. I have a light to shine over here so that we can see these, but with the rainstorm outside and it's evening, it's really getting dark out, so I hope you can see these. I'm hoping to eliminate these necklaces by half. I purchased these really nice acrylic little hangers on Amazon, and they have a little hole on each end where you can see I've put a little white nail. You could also stick them to the wall, but I don't want to damage my wall. These tiny little white nails are the perfect solution to hang these little clear acrylic racks. I want to have my necklaces so narrowed down that I'll just need to hang one on every other space. So I'm going to get started taking away the ones I know that I don't wear or that are tarnished and worn out. This necklace is pretty tarnished, so I can let this one go. I'll hang it on here with the matching earrings. And here are all of the necklaces that I pulled out to donate. It'll be so nice to let someone else have these and they can enjoy them. I don't plan on wearing these ever again, so there's no use in me keeping them and holding on to them when I don't enjoy wearing them. And here are the necklaces that I have left. I was able to successfully clear out half of the necklaces that I own and only keep the very special ones that were gifts and that I really enjoy wearing. I have so much extra space now and I was able to spread everything out nicely. Here are all of the necklaces that I'm going to be donating. I cannot believe that I successfully cleared out 50% of the necklaces that I own. I'll get these wrapped up individually in tissue paper and then I'll put them in bags. Here are all of the earrings and bracelets and rings and necklaces that I'll be donating today. I feel so happy to have all of my jewelry cleared out and only my favorite things left behind, the things that I really enjoy and that are very special to me. I cannot even believe how much jewelry that I had to declutter. I wasn't even enjoying these pieces, and now someone else can have these to enjoy. I'll also be donating these jewelry gift boxes. I am so happy I finally went through my jewelry and decluttered all of the excess. I had so many pieces that I just didn't wear, and I never chose those items when I was getting ready for my day. I appreciate you so much, and I really am glad you were here. It really encouraged me and inspired me to get busy and get my jewelry decluttered and organized once and for all. Now I can easily find everything I'm looking for and easily put it away. I know just what I have and just what I enjoy wearing. Be sure to come back for many, many more decluttering and organizing videos. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.